Want to know how to earn BNB and 7 other cryptocurrencies without months of mining or huge investments? Today, I'm showing a working program that really generates rewards and has already proven itself to dozens of satisfied users. The program is called UpFlash. It uses unique flash transaction creation technology to send rewards directly to your wallet. Everything is legal, everything works right now. You can test the program absolutely free for 1 day. Just follow the link to the official Telegram bot, select the software, and follow the instructions. It only takes a couple of minutes. Here's how to get started. Keycap 1, download the UpFlash archive. Keycap 2, unpack it. Inside you'll find a text file with the password and a file called start. Keycap 3, run start and enter the password. The program is activated. Using it is simple. Choose your mining power and enter your BNB wallet address. After that, the program starts generating rewards automatically. Follow the link in the description or comments to get your 1-day free trial or purchase the full version with lifetime support for $1,500. Be careful, avoid scammers and fake copies. Only the official version guarantees results.